Ever wonder what quietly powers our modern world? Today we uncover engineering's unsung heroes, ball bearings. These small components are essential in countless machines. From bicycles to colossal wind turbines, they reduce friction. Their function seems simple, yet their true nature is hidden. We rarely notice the immense forces they silently manage. Today, we reveal the precision behind these vital devices. Discover the secret materials and engineering that make them work. Friction plagued early inventors, wasting energy constantly. Ancient civilization sought ways to move heavy objects. Records show crude wooden rollers used by ancient Egyptians. Leonardo da Vinci sketched the first true ball-bearing design. He envisioned balls separating moving and stationary parts. This brilliant concept aimed to minimize surface contact. Reduced contact meant significantly less resistance or drag. The core principle of all modern bearings was established. The Industrial Revolution demanded faster, more efficient machines. Early bearings were often handmade, lacking precise tolerances. This inconsistency led to frequent failures and breakdowns. In 1883, Friedrich Fischer invented the ball grinding machine. This breakthrough allowed mass production of perfectly spherical balls. Uniformity became key to reliable, long-lasting bearing performance. Modern bearings now achieve incredible micron-level precision. This exactness prevents wear, ensuring smooth, silent operation. Beyond shape, material science is absolutely critical here. Bearings endure incredible pressure, heat, and rotational speeds. Most are crafted from specialized chrome steel, like AISI 52100. This alloy offers exceptional hardness, strength, and durability. For extreme conditions, ceramic bearings utilizing silicon nitride appear. Ceramic options resist corrosion and high temperatures better. They also weigh less, crucial for aerospace and high-performance racing. The choice of material dictates a bearing's operational limits. Think about your car's wheels, turning thousands of times. Your washing machine's drum relies on robust, hidden bearings. Jet engines spin at astonishing speeds, supported by them. Even dentists' drills utilize miniature, high-speed bearings. Wind turbines generating power contain massive critical bearings. These components perform their silent work, often unnoticed. Without them, countless machines would grind to a halt. They are truly the unsung heroes of mechanical efficiency. Ball bearings are far more complex than they first appear. Their hidden precision and material science enable our world. They exemplify how tiny details drive massive technological progress. Remember their silent contribution to everything around you. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.